Hi, I'm Dan Cooperstein, and welcome to this episode of Compliance Minute. The EEOC's final regulations on ADA and GINA compliant wellness plans, issued in May of 2016, were much welcomed by employers because of all the clarifications that came along with them. One of the most important areas of clarification was the explanation of how the 30% cap on incentives applies to different types of employer wellness and health plan arrangements, and how it applies where wellness plan participation is and is not dependent on enrollment in the health plan. Specifically, the EEOC regulations address 4 scenarios. 1, if an employer requires employees to be enrolled in a particular health plan in order to participate in the wellness program, then the maximum incentive amount is 30% of the total cost of self-only coverage under that plan. 2, if an employer offers only one health plan, but employees do not have to be enrolled in the plan to participate in the wellness plan, then the incentive limit is 30% of the cost of self-only coverage under the employer's plan. However, if an employer offers more than one health plan, but does not require enrollment in a particular health plan as a condition of participation in the wellness plan, then the limit is 30% of the employer's lowest cost self-only major medical coverage. And the 4th scenario is that if an employer does not offer a health plan at all, the incentive limit is 30% of the total cost to a 40-year-old non-smoker purchasing self-only coverage under the second lowest cost plan at the metal tier coverage level of silver on the exchange that is in the location of the employer's principal place of business. These rules apply in the same way to both employees and spouses under both the ADA and GINA rules. The key takeaway here for employers is that since we now have a much more specific regulatory explanation about how to apply incentives to wellness plans subject to the ADA and GINA, employers should really utilize this much clearer roadmap in doing whatever they can to get their employees healthy. For more information on this and other topics, please visit our Knowledge Center at corpsyn.com. Thank you.